Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this question. Make R the subject of the formula n is equal to 1 over 2x times the root of R over k. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by the reciprocal of the coefficient of the radical. So that is times 2x over 1 times 2x over 1. So we have 2xn is equal to this, and this will cancel, so we're left with R over k under the root. So the next thing here is just to square both sides so that we get rid of that radical or that root sign. So when we square both sides, we're going to have 4x squared n squared is equal to the square and the root sign will cancel, so that we're left with R over k. So the next thing for us to be left with R alone, we multiply both sides by the denominator, that is k. So times k times k. So R will be equal to 4 x squared n squared k. Thank you for watching. Kindly do not forget to subscribe.